Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert location symbol in Word 2013. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert location symbol in this document. Firstly, click this page. Then go to the insert menu. Then click symbol drop down menu. Then select the location icon. Now we can see here we insert location symbol very easily. You can change the color or increase the size. Select the symbol and go to the home menu. Then increase the size, you can change the color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.